The global protein market, a colossal industry valued at an astonishing $1.4 trillion, has been built upon a pervasive falsehood. For years, you've been led to believe that eggs, shakes, and powders were the ultimate muscle building foods, yet this couldn't be further from the truth. They are, in essence, profit driven products, not genuine muscle fuel. Startling clinical studies from TIS University have unveiled a critical, often ignored reality. After the age of 60, your body's ability to absorb animal based protein plummets to less than 55%. This means that nearly half, or even more, of the expensive protein you consume from these sources never actually reaches your muscles. It's simply wasted. But what if there was a simple, affordable solution that this trillion-dollar industry actively suppresses? What if five unassuming, tiny seeds held the key, each capable of delivering up to 7 grams of complete, highly bioavailable protein per tablespoon? The reason you haven't heard this secret is a calculated effort. In 2023 alone, corporate lobbyists poured an astounding $4.6 billion into aggressive egg protein advertising, all while systematically suppressing over 30 clinical studies. These studies unequivocally prove that seed based proteins dramatically outperform whey, casein, and even lean meats in both absorption and recovery for older adults. This uncomfortable truth, if widely known, would dismantle their business model. While this massive deception continues, a silent epidemic, sarcopenia, relentlessly erodes the independence of millions. It's a devastating reality where every 11 seconds, an older adult experiences a fall, not due to clumsiness, but because their muscles have simply lost the strength to support them anymore. By the time you reach 70, you could have already lost up to 40% of your vital muscle mass, and by 80, a staggering half of all seniors struggle to lift their own body weight. The good news, however, lies in groundbreaking research. The Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism tracked adults over 65 who incorporated these remarkable seeds into their daily diet. The results were nothing short of miraculous. Participants saw an 18% increase in lean muscle, a 40% reduction in inflammation, and an impressive 31% surge in grip strength, all achieved in just 6 weeks without a single supplement or protein powder. These seeds possess the extraordinary ability to activate and restore your body's natural muscle building switch in under 45 minutes after consumption. Imagine rebuilding strength, not through endless gym sessions or expensive pills, but simply through food. In controlled trials, just one of these seeds, the number 2 on our list, outperformed eggs by a remarkable 70% in stimulating muscle fiber growth and boosted strength recovery by 33% in less than 2 weeks. In this eye-opening video, we're going to unveil these 5 scientifically proven seeds that not only contain more protein than eggs, but are also potent weapons against sarcopenia, capable of rebuilding your strength naturally. We'll present the hard data that the trillion-dollar industry desperately tried to hide from you. But before we dive into these revelations, we have a quick question for you. How old were you when you first started noticing your strength fading or your balance changing? We are personally reading every single comment, so please share your experience. Now, without any further delay, let's unlock the secrets of these incredible seeds, starting with number 5. Many people unknowingly discard pumpkin seeds, tossing away a true nutritional powerhouse. What they fail to realize is that a mere quarter cup of these vibrant green gems contains a remarkable 9 grams of complete protein, significantly surpassing the 6 grams found in a large egg. These nutritional marvels are packed with all 9 essential amino acids, the ones your body cannot produce on its own, making them what nutritionists accurately term a perfect protein. This means your muscles can immediately utilize them for crucial repair and growth. Groundbreaking research published by the University of Michigan demonstrated that seniors who consume just 30 grams of pumpkin seeds daily experienced an impressive 18% increase in grip strength within 6 weeks. This is a critical indicator, as grip strength is a direct predictor of overall muscle health and even longevity. What truly elevates pumpkin seeds in the fight against sarcopenia isn't solely their protein content, but the abundant presence of magnesium, with a single serving providing 37% of your daily needs. This vital mineral acts as a master key, enabling protein to actually penetrate your muscle cells and initiate the rebuilding process. Without adequate magnesium, you could consume all the protein in the world, yet your muscles would still waste away because they literally cannot absorb it properly. Furthermore, the zinc content in pumpkin seeds is 7 times higher than in eggs, directly stimulating the production of testosterone and growth hormone. These two critical hormones decline rapidly after the age of 60, accelerating muscle loss. Consider Margaret, a retired teacher from Ohio, who began incorporating pumpkin seeds into her diet after her doctor warned her about severe muscle weakness. Within just 2 months, she regained the strength to carry her grandchildren again without pain. Your muscles also desperately require the iron found in pumpkin seeds, approximately 2.5 milligrams per serving, because iron is essential for carrying oxygen to muscle tissue. Without sufficient oxygen, your muscles literally suffocate and die from the inside out. The phosphorus in these seeds works in concert with calcium to maintain efficient muscle contractions. When phosphorus levels drop, a common occurrence in 40% of people over 60, muscles become weak and shaky, regardless of how much you exercise. Pumpkin seeds also contain special compounds called cucurbitins, which are potent in reducing inflammation in muscle tissue. Chronic inflammation is a hidden driver of sarcopenia, relentlessly destroying muscle fibers faster than your body can repair them. The omega-3 fatty acids in pumpkin seeds, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, dramatically improve how your muscles respond to insulin. This is crucial because insulin resistance causes muscles to reject vital nutrients and starve, even when you are eating plenty. Most importantly, pumpkin seeds supply 20% of your daily tryptophan needs, an amino acid that not only aids in better sleep, but also triggers the release of growth hormone during deep sleep, a period when 70% of all muscle repair naturally occurs. The unique combination of nutrients in pumpkin seeds creates what researchers call a synergistic effect, meaning they work together to multiply their muscle building power far beyond what any single nutrient could achieve alone. You can enjoy them raw, roasted, or ground into butter. Unlike many protein sources, pumpkin seeds actually become more digestible when lightly toasted, which helps release even more of their muscle saving nutrients. Your muscles are waiting for these exact nutrients to thrive. Hemp hearts, though small, deliver an incredible 10 grams of complete protein per 3 tablespoons, easily surpassing eggs, while simultaneously offering a unique protein profile specifically engineered to combat age-related muscle deterioration. These tiny seeds contain a remarkable substance known as edestin protein, a rare type that precisely mirrors the protein structure found in human muscle tissue. This extraordinary characteristic allows your body to absorb and utilize it with an astounding 98% efficiency, a stark contrast to the mere 48% efficiency of most plant proteins. Research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry revealed that hemp protein stimulates muscle protein synthesis 34% more effectively than whey protein in adults over 60. This superior performance is primarily attributed to its perfect ratio of essential amino acids, ideally suited for aging bodies. The arginine content in hemp hearts is particularly vital for seniors, providing a substantial 4.5 grams per serving. Arginine actively dilates blood vessels, increasing blood flow to your muscles by an impressive 40%. This enhanced circulation ensures a greater delivery of oxygen and nutrients exactly where they are most needed. Crucially, your muscles cannot grow or maintain themselves without adequate blood flow, and the natural decline in circulation after 60 means that even if you consume enough protein, it might not effectively reach your muscle tissue. Hemp hearts are a nutritional powerhouse, containing all 20 amino acids, including the 9 essential ones. Even more importantly, they provide high levels of branched chain amino acids, BCAAs, which directly prevent muscle breakdown during periods of inactivity, a common occurrence as we age. The gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, in hemp hearts, a compound found in almost no other foods, is so effective at reducing muscle inflammation that participants in a Canadian study reported 50% less muscle soreness and recovered twice as fast from exercise. Consider Robert, a 72-year-old former marathon runner who struggled to climb stairs without stopping. After adding hemp hearts to his morning routine, he's now back to hiking 5 miles every weekend. These seeds also provide 45% of your daily iron needs, which is critical because iron deficiency affects 30% of seniors and directly causes muscle weakness, fatigue, and the inability to build new muscle tissue, regardless of protein intake. The sulfur compounds in hemp hearts assist in producing glutathione, your body's master antioxidant, which protects muscle cells from oxidative damage. This damage accelerates dramatically after 60 and literally eats away at healthy muscle tissue. Furthermore, hemp hearts boast the ideal 3.1 ratio of omega 6 to omega 3 fatty acids. Studies consistently show this ratio optimizes the muscle building response to exercise and effectively prevents the chronic inflammation that breaks down muscle faster than it can rebuild. The synergistic combination of phosphorus and magnesium in hemp hearts works to improve muscle contraction strength by 25%. According to research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, this means your existing muscles work more efficiently even before new muscle growth occurs. Unlike many protein sources that become harder to digest with age, hemp hearts contain natural enzymes that actively improve digestion, ensuring seniors absorb more of the protein they consume. The vitamin E content in hemp hearts, providing 80% of daily needs, protects muscle cell membranes from damage and maintains the integrity of muscle fibers that would otherwise deteriorate rapidly. These remarkable seeds even contain chlorophyll, which increases oxygen utilization in muscles and has been shown to improve endurance by 20% in older adults. However, the third seed on our list contains something even more profound, something that literally reverses the aging process within muscle tissue itself. Chia seeds may appear tiny, but they conceal a potent 5 grams of complete protein per 2 tablespoons, alongside a unique gel forming fiber that fundamentally transforms how your muscles absorb and utilize protein throughout the day. When chia seeds encounter liquid in your stomach, they create a viscous gel that strategically slows down protein digestion. This remarkable process ensures a steady, sustained stream of amino acids is delivered to your muscles for up to 6 hours, effectively preventing the common quick spike and subsequent crash associated with other protein sources. Stanford University researchers made a groundbreaking discovery. This sustained release protein effect increased muscle retention in seniors by an astonishing 41% compared to those consuming the same amount of protein from traditional sources. The significant calcium content in chia seeds, providing 18% of your daily needs in just one serving, directly influences muscle contractions. Without adequate calcium, your muscles literally cannot function properly, leading to debilitating weakness, painful cramps, and rapid deterioration. Many are unaware that in individuals over 60, calcium deficiency often causes more muscle loss than protein deficiency, and chia seeds offer calcium in a form that is actually more bioavailable than traditional dairy products. The powerful antioxidants within chia seeds, particularly quercetin and caffeic acid, vigilantly protect muscle mitochondria from damage. These mitochondria are the vital power plants that supply muscles with the energy needed to function and grow. When mitochondria fail, an increasingly common occurrence after age 60, muscles waste away regardless of protein intake or exercise. Consider Dorothy, a 68-year-old grandmother who went from barely being able to lift grocery bags to confidently performing push ups after incorporating chia seeds into her diet for just 3 months. Chia seeds also boast an impressive 11 grams of fiber per serving, which nourishes beneficial gut bacteria. These bacteria then produce short-chain fatty acids, compounds known to reduce muscle inflammation and significantly improve protein absorption by up to 30%. The phosphorus in chia seeds works synergistically with protein to rebuild muscle tissue after exercise. Studies reveal that phosphorus deficiency, prevalent in 45% of seniors, directly causes muscle weakness and hinders recovery from physical activity. These seeds provide more omega 3 fatty acids per gram than salmon, specifically alpha linolenic acid, which actively reduces muscle destroying inflammation and enhances insulin sensitivity, thereby allowing your muscles to truly utilize the nutrients you consume. The manganese content in chia seeds, supplying 30% of your daily needs, activates enzymes crucial for building connective tissue around muscles. This provides the essential structural support that prevents injuries and enables muscles to grow stronger. Research from the British Journal of Nutrition found that chia seeds improve hydration at the cellular level, maintaining optimal muscle function, which is critical since dehydration can cause a 20% reduction in strength and accelerate sarcopenia. The unique combination of nutrients in chia seeds triggers the production of IGF-1, a growth factor that declines by 50% after age 60 and is absolutely essential for both muscle maintenance and growth. Amazingly, chia seeds even contain boron, a trace mineral that helps the body more effectively use vitamin D and calcium, both of which are crucial for muscle function and frequently deficient in older adults. The slow release energy provided by chia seeds ensures your muscles receive a constant fuel supply throughout the day, preventing the breakdown of muscle tissue for energy, which commonly occurs between meals in seniors. Your body craves these specific nutrients to effectively combat sarcopenia. Ground flax seeds provide a substantial 6 grams of high quality protein per 2 tablespoons, along with lignans, powerful compounds that expertly balance hormones and directly counteract the hormonal shifts that accelerate muscle loss after 60. These lignans function as weak estrogens in the body, which might sound concerning, but research from the Mayo Clinic unequivocally demonstrates that they actually optimize the testosterone to estrogen ratio in both men and women, leading to a remarkable 28% increase in muscle building capacity in just 10 weeks. The alpha linolenic acid, ALA, in flax seeds converts into EPA and DHA within your body, the same beneficial omega 3s found in fish oil. However, studies show that plant based omega 3s from flax seeds are even more effective at reducing muscle inflammation in seniors than fish oil supplements. Your muscles critically depend on these specific omega 3s to maintain cell membrane flexibility. As membranes become rigid with age, nutrients struggle to enter muscle cells and waste products cannot efficiently exit, effectively causing muscles to literally poison themselves. Flax seeds contain unique proteins called cyclolinopeptides, which have been scientifically proven to significantly increase muscle regeneration after injury or exercise. They achieve this by stimulating satellite cells, the crucial stem cells responsible for repairing and building new muscle tissue. The University of Toronto conducted a study revealing that seniors consuming 30 grams of ground flax seeds daily increased their lean muscle mass by an average of 2.2 pounds in just 12 weeks without any additional exercise. This remarkable outcome occurred simply because flax optimizes the body's intrinsic muscle building machinery. Take Tom, a retired firefighter who reversed 5 years of muscle loss in a mere 4 months after his nutritionist recommended adding ground flax to his breakfast smoothie. The thiamine found in flax seeds is vital for converting carbohydrates into energy for muscles. Thiamine deficiency, which affects 35% of seniors, leads to severe muscle weakness and wasting that is often misdiagnosed as normal aging. Flax seeds also provide 31% of your daily copper needs, a mineral essential for producing the connective tissue that binds muscles together and enables them to generate force without tearing. The soluble fiber in ground flax seeds nourishes beneficial gut bacteria that produce butyrate, a compound known to reduce muscle insulin resistance. This allows aging muscles to absorb glucose and amino acids more efficiently. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition demonstrated that the magnesium in flax seeds improves muscle function so dramatically that participants increased their walking speed by 23% after 8 weeks of daily consumption. The vitamin B6 in flax seeds aids in producing neurotransmitters that control muscle contractions. Without adequate B6, muscles become weak and uncoordinated, regardless of their actual size or strength. Flax seeds contain SDG lignan, which protects muscles from oxidative stress so effectively that it reduced markers of muscle damage by 45% in clinical trials with older adults. Furthermore, the mucilage in flax seeds creates a protective coating in the digestive system, which enhances protein absorption and ensures that more of the amino acids you consume actually reach your muscles instead of being wasted. Your muscles are quite literally starving for these exact compounds to thrive. Black sesame seeds stand as the ultimate weapon against sarcopenia, delivering an astounding 5 grams of protein per 2 tablespoons. What truly elevates them, however, is a remarkable compound called sesamin, which has been shown to increase muscle protein synthesis by an incredible 47%. This groundbreaking research from Kyoto University in Japan reveals that sesamin, a unique lignan found exclusively in sesame seeds, actually alters gene expression in aging muscles. It actively switches on genes that promote growth while simultaneously switching off genes that trigger muscle breakdown, essentially reprogramming your muscles to behave and grow younger. The black variety of sesame seeds specifically contains anthocyanins, the same potent antioxidants found in blueberries, but in concentrations a staggering 15 times higher. These powerful compounds vigilantly protect muscle mitochondria from the oxidative damage that relentlessly accelerates sarcopenia. Your muscles desperately require the synergistic combination of copper, magnesium, and calcium found abundantly in black sesame seeds. These three minerals work in perfect harmony to maintain the electrical signals that govern muscle contractions, and without them, your muscles literally cannot function properly. The Japanese research that sent ripples of astonishment through the scientific community showed that elderly participants who consumed just 30 grams of black sesame seeds daily not only halted muscle loss but actually gained an average of 3.7 pounds of lean muscle mass in a mere 8 weeks, all without altering their exercise habits. Black sesame seeds boast the highest amount of plant based calcium of any food, providing an astonishing 88% of your daily needs per serving. This is critically important because calcium deficiency forces muscles to break down their own tissue to maintain vital blood calcium levels. The sesamol in these seeds is so potent in reducing inflammation that it decreased inflammatory markers in muscle tissue by an impressive 62% in clinical trials, allowing muscles to focus on repair and growth instead of constantly battling inflammation. Consider Martha, an 81-year-old retired nurse who could barely stand from her chair. After incorporating black sesame tahini into her daily routine, within 6 weeks, she was gardening again without assistance. The vitamin E in black sesame seeds specifically safeguards type 2 muscle fibers, the fast twitch fibers responsible for power and strength, which unfortunately disappear most rapidly with age. Preserving these fibers is crucial for maintaining the explosive strength needed for essential activities like catching yourself from a fall. These seeds also contain methionine, a sulfur-containing amino acid that most plant proteins lack, making them one of the only plant foods that provides truly complete protein, comparable to animal sources. The zinc content in black sesame seeds, supplying 25% of your daily needs, directly stimulates the production of growth hormone and testosterone, both indispensable for maintaining muscle mass after 60. Research from the International Journal of Molecular Sciences found that sesamin increases the number of satellite cells in muscles by 38%, essentially endowing your muscles with more stem cells to repair damage and build new tissue. The phosphorus in black sesame seeds works in conjunction with protein to create phosphocreatine in muscles, the immediate energy source for powerful movements. Seniors with adequate phosphorus levels maintain 40% more strength than those who are deficient. Black sesame seeds contain unique peptides that improve insulin sensitivity specifically in muscle tissue, allowing muscles to absorb nutrients even in individuals with diabetes or prediabetes conditions, which affect 50% of adults over 65. The profound combination of all these nutrients creates what researchers call the sesame effect, where daily consumption of black sesame seeds literally reverses multiple markers of muscle aging simultaneously. The true strategy for combating sarcopenia isn't merely about consuming more protein. It's profoundly about consuming the right types of protein alongside the specific co-nutrients that enable aging muscles to actually utilize that protein effectively. These 5 extraordinary seeds not only provide superior protein compared to eggs, but also offer the precise combination of minerals, antioxidants, and unique compounds that directly address the root causes of muscle loss in aging bodies. To begin your journey, simply start with just one seed and gradually integrate the others into your daily routine. Always remember to grind flax and sesame seeds for optimal absorption, ensuring your body reaps their full benefits. Within a matter of weeks, you will begin to notice remarkable improvements in your strength, energy levels, and overall muscle function, changes you might have previously believed were impossible at your age. Your muscles have been patiently waiting for exactly these nutrients to halt the relentless progression of sarcopenia and to ignite the rebuilding of the strength you need to maintain your independence and cherished quality of life for many decades to come. If you have any questions or something you'd like to share about your own experiences, please don't hesitate to drop a comment below. We read them all and appreciate your engagement. Thank you for watching.